After coaching business owners around the world for the amount of time I've been doing it, I know one thing. More often than not, business owners will gravitate to the more sexiest areas of their business, like marketing and sales, okay, to increase the top line, etc., etc. It's so much more cooler to go and design a website or a Facebook page or some cool advertising. I'll give you a tip. Half your profits, if you just went and had a look at your margin and became a master of how to improve your margin, there is a bunch load there that you can do. More often than not, I find business owners are spending too much. My average across all the business that I've ever coached is there's 12% in expenses or in your cost of goods sold that we could save if I went and took a carving knife to that. You might call that a bit rough, but most times I can find 12% or more. Or looking at ways to add more value to your clients to achieve a better margin. Either way, I guarantee you that there is money that you're leaving on the table here in the place of margin. So I'm going to suggest something to you. Have a look around this website, and I promise you, if you give me a call, I'm going to find some areas in your business where you can improve your margin. I'm Bruce Campbell.